Some people have difficulties in arranging and organizing their kitchen stuff. Are you one of them? Well, there are many ways to remodel the kitchen and make it neat and tidy. You can always find a solution for storage problems or tools organization, whether from the web's learning platform or this video. For a small kitchen, built-in appliances might be the best improvement. While giving more space, it makes your kitchen look more appealing. Here are 10 built-in kitchen design ideas that will save more space without compromising the stylish look. For more details, head on to the pasted link inside the description area by simphome.com. 10. Built-in shelves. Open shelving makes your kitchen space feel more expansive. Moreover, you can get more space by building it into your wall. Though built-in shelves are often available in old houses, you can customize it to add a storied feeling in your kitchen. Just put a little effort to turn one of your drywall into a built-in shelf. Measure your space and mark where you want to build your shelf. Then cut a hole in the wall. Be careful of the wire and plumbing system. After hollowing out the wall, you can start building the shelves. Measure and cut the wood you need for the frame and shelves. Then assemble the parts. First, you need to make a frame. You can make a box, then mount it on the wall, or directly nail the frame to the wall. Both ways will get you an excellent result. Then nail or fix other parts of the frame. If necessary, paint the shelves to match your kitchen. Last, start organizing your stuff. 9. Drawers in cabinets. Hate dipping deep into the cabinet to find things? Or your cabinet looks full and cramped? Why don't you try adding a roll-out drawer in it? The drawer works as an additional shelf and makes it easy to see things in the cabinet. Moreover, you can maximize storage space and simplify cleaning up chores. Whether you make identical drawer boxes or have various ones, you need to think about what you want to store. Roll-out drawers with sloping sides are good for storing different sized items. You can use the lower sides to store smaller items such as canned goods and spices nicely, while using higher ones for tippy plastic containers or stacks of plates. 8. Make your dishwasher higher. The dishwasher doesn't have to sit under the worktop. Placing it on a higher place will make loading and unloading dishes much more manageable. If you have a tall cabinet, you can install the dishwasher in it. To make use of the extra space, you can incorporate a drawer below the additional storage above. However, there are some tips when you decide to remodel or move your dishwasher. First, consider positioning it near the sink, so you will not worry about spending more money on plumbing. Second, make sure that the drawers where you store your flatware and dishes are near. Third, ensure that the dishwasher door will not block your walkway when you open it. Last, you may want to conceal your dishwasher. In this case, you could try an integrated dishwasher that is designed to sit behind a panel. This one is best if you want to place it higher because you can put it behind your cabinet. 7. One-wall appliances. The next improvement for your kitchen is concentrating appliances on one wall, so you can install a wiring system in one area. It will also infuse a cleaner and smarter look onto your kitchen. With this system, you can arrange a fridge, cooker, oven, or appliances you have in one wall. Since all of them stick to one wall, you will get more space for your kitchen. Since the space is limited, usually the appliances come in a compact size. However, you only have to concentrate on preparing, cooking, and cleaning up one area. This design is perfect if you want to make your kitchen remain open to other rooms. 6. Built-in knife blocks. Knife blocks ensure our knives look neat, but sometimes it takes up space on the worktop. You may accidentally knock the block over while cooking. In this instance, installing a built-in knife block can be a smart solution. You'll still have your knives within reach, but also out of the way. There are various types of built-in knife blocks, from small slits in the countertop or cabinets hidden in the drawer, or right onto the wall. Which one is best? Retake a look at your kitchen. 1. Installing it in your cabinet keeps your knives out of children's reach. 2. While slit them in a countertop are the most convenient because you can reach your utensils easier. The last alternative, use a long single slit to upgrade your countertop. This idea would give you more freedom without restricting the sizes of your knives. 5. Rolling in trash bin with paper towel. There are many styles of trash drawer, but this one is special because of a paper towel rod above it. It keeps them hidden and makes your kitchen look tidier and cleaner. Besides, the towel is still in close proximity. It is a fantastic solution if you don't like your paper towel hanging above your countertop. To upgrade it, insert the divider below the towel to separate it from the trash compartment. The space behind the rod can be used to store extra rolls of paper towel. With the help of a full-height door, you can cover both a paper towel and a trash compartment that will hide them from view. 4. Pull-out pantry idea. Cans and bottles sometimes make your kitchen look messy. You can make use of space between cabinets as a pantry. A tall, sleek pull-out pantry provides you with more storage for your items. It is also accessible from both sides. It's perfect for small kitchens because it takes a little space. Some of them have movable shelves so that you can fit various sizes of cans and bottles in it. This tall pull-out pantry is suitable for a sleek, minimalist kitchen too. People usually install it next to the refrigerator to access awkward space between it and the wall or cabinets. There are many ready-to-use pull-out pantries, and you can DIY it if you want. Once again, head over to simphome.com for details. 3. Woodfire oven. Having a built-in Woodfire oven is a significant change. They are considered out of date and too traditional, but with the right style, you can make it a focal point in your kitchen. It will serve not only for baking, but also for warming your house or drying your laundry. A Woodfire oven needs careful planning. It requires a concrete base to support the weight. The fire back should stand up to high temperatures and hold the heat well. Any fireproof material will do as long as it suits your kitchen. Including a space for storing woods and kindling below the oven is a necessary addition. 2. Counter-depth fridge. Integrated kitchen appliances are getting popular these days, including refrigerators. The built-in refrigerator has a sleek and unique design that gives a new look to your kitchen. The seamless design looks great when standing side by side with cabinets and countertops. Most of them are shallower than freestanding refrigerator, making it perfect to fit in a limited space. There are many types of integrated refrigerators, for instance, side-by-side French door or a bottom freezer. You can almost always find one that best suits your kitchen layout. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, modern dish rack. Dishes can be a nuisance if not stored neatly. They need to be rubbed after being washed so that they'll dry well. Stacking it in a rack, a drawer, or a cabinet sometimes doesn't fix the problem. However, a modern dish rack will improve your kitchen and solve your problems. If you decide to add this rack system to your kitchen, here are a few considerations to think about. The first thing is choosing the material. To prevent corrosion, I recommend you to choose metal with a coating finish. It protects your dryer's surface from rotting, rust, or scratches. Stainless steel is also preferable because it is durable and doesn't need any coating. To lower cost, you can choose plastic racks with all the future consequences. The wooden dish rack is another excellent option. It's luxurious and beautiful, although you'll need to protect them from moisture and vapors continually. This last option is best for storing and not drying. So planning a built-in kitchen needs careful thinking. Which part of the kitchen that needs to be remodeled and improved? The list I already mentioned will give you some insight into what to make use of for your kitchen space, and which built-in ideas would be best for your kitchen. Last, take a look at detailed information related to these 10 built-in kitchen design ideas at simphome.com. It may help you minimize the chance of making unnecessary mistakes.